bold and font size should be 12. Select this and increase font size. Bold and select this is last. Okay, now you can change name of this. Here you can write library book issue record and drag it into center and change background color and font color. So white font, bold, and change font family. This is good. Okay, now save this and go to report view. Okay, now it's looking good. So this step has been successfully created. Now click on create and select blank form, and here you design interface of this system. Okay, select this and here you can write name of this system library, this database library book issue record. Okay, select this and design. Go to format and select font size 20. I think 22 is good. Bold it and select font family. Font family is this. No, it's looking bad. Okay, this is good. So select font theme color. Okay, it's good, but drag and drop in center. Okay, here. So now go to design and select button. Go to form option, operations, open form and open form for book. Next, text, and here you can write add new book. Next, and finish this. Okay, take one more button, select form operation, open form, click on next, and this is for user. Click on text and here you write add new user, and here take one more button, go to form operation, open form and select menu form, and here write main menu or rename this. Okay, main menu is good, or issue book, sorry, issue book. And select one more button, go to report, open report, next, and here saved book record. Our book issue record. Okay, next, and finish this. Now design these buttons. Select this and go to format. Here select background color, font color, bold it, and change font family. Increase this size. Okay, select this, and this should be green. Bold it and change font family. Font family is, no, this is Arial round 40. Okay, so select these two buttons and give background and font. This is looking not good. Okay, now it's looking good, and save this. Give name library. Okay, go to form view and select add new form, and here I need one more button, back button. So select button, click on form operation, open form, go to next, and here select library, next, and here give name back, next, and finish this. Save, go to form view, and here you can add book. So I want to add book name computer. Author is Matu serial 001100. Serial number of this book. Okay.